I'm on the roof of my camper. Welcome. Today we are recaulking everything, all the seams in my roof, because they are really bad, and I'm leaking every time it rains, and this is like the 4th time I've done this. It's so annoying, and there's a bunch of bugs up here. Yeah, so let me show you what we're working with, and then we'll just get to attempting to fix this. Alright, so this is my seam, but look how bad it is. Like, this is totally coming up. And I don't know if this is bad, I'm not sure. But, yep, this is what we're doing. Alright, first things first, I bought this caulk remover. Hopefully it works. We will see. I'm wondering if I should be doing this with gloves. And it's burning my fingers, like burning. And I was wearing gloves. But guess what? It dissolves the gloves. So this is gonna be a long day. The next day, it got dark on us yesterday. It took us like 4 hours to get all the caulk out of this thing. It was surprisingly annoying. Yeah, so today we're gonna try to take this black thing up, and then we are going to find a way to make this stick down to the thing and then reseal it. So that's our day today. What is this? Oh wow. Joseph picked my nose.
Well, there was a booger in it.
Remember how you said we were gonna start at 10 a.m.? Then you went home and showed up 2.5 hours late?
Nope.
Okay, so we've taken off as much caulk as we can all the way down. It's messy looking. But now he's drilling holes so that we can get this thing down. And then once that thing's down, we'll put that black strip back on there and then recaulk everything, and it should be good. We're hoping. I just spit on you. Okay, so we are about to start caulking. We have this all down now. It's screwed in. It looks great. Very beautiful job here. And yeah. It's time. What? What is this? Dude,
There's a clump I pushed to the end of it. There.
You know, some people just do it right the first time.
Jeez, you know what? Some people get paid for help too. So you know what? Just look this gift horse in the mouth. Look it right in the mouth. How do its teeth look? Huh?
Shit. You were right. You really put me in my place there, didn't you?
I have no paper towels up here. Yeah, well, you know, it's not paper towels.
Do you guys like how Joseph got just his forearms tattooed so that like it looks like he's covered?
Oh my God. Don't look at me.
He anger. He has freckles on his shoulder. He had beard on his face. He had blue in his eye and curl on his head. He smile, but not want to. He concentrate real hard. He laugh a little. Now concentrate again. The sun's going down. The street light came on. We are still out here. But we're pretty much done. Just like let it dry. Clean up all this stuff out here. And should be good to go. So yeah, let's hope that works. And as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'm gonna go home and take a shower and see you in the next video, guys.